Alrighty, good day and welcome. My name is Mr. JB and today we're going to be going through another PhotoPea tutorial. Today we're going to be going through creating a dual lighting effect just to kind of show how we can bring in some light and bring in some color for our image whenever we're trying to make some sort of adjustment or just kind of add some sort of funky lighting. Now to begin, I have my image already dropped in here of Tom Cruise. With that, I'm going to end up selecting my little half moon here, the new adjustment layer, and I'm going to go to color fill. I'm going to make a black color fill layer and I'm going to make sure that it is my bottom layer in this image. Now with that, I am now going to end up selecting that half moon again, and I'm going to go up to gradient fill. With gradient fill selected, I'm going to change the drop down menu, which is just to the right of the gradient, and I'm going to select this second one, which is foreground to transparent. Now that's just going to end up adjusting and adding a layer that goes from black to clear, which will help me with some of my selections a little bit later. With that, I'm going to now click on that black to transparent, and I'm going to adjust the black color itself by selecting on the bottom's left square. That will allow me to change my color. Now I'm just going to select like a pinky color and a blue color just to kind of showcase what this looks like. I'm going to make sure that this is my top color so that way I can see it. And if I need to make that pink bleed farther into the image, excellent. So with that selected, again, I'm just going to be adjusting this a little bit to kind of move this in and out on my image just to kind of make the bleed effect as far as I truly want it. I'm going to select OK. Lovely. I'm happy with that for the time being. If I need to adjust it, I can adjust the scale by making it kind of more bleedy or less bleedy for my image. I'm going to kind of adjust that a little bit higher. And if I do need to move where that effect starts, I'm going to use my x-axis. Now, I'm going to close that menu and I'm going to add my second light. To do that, I'm just going to make sure that I select my gradient fill 1, do Control J, double click on it, and then I'm going to adjust my angle to 180 degrees, meaning I'm now bringing that light in from the other side. I'm going to adjust my color, and I'm going to choose something along the lines of something bluish, usually because these two colors end up pairing quite well with each other. I'm going to end up adjusting my scale a little bit. I'm going to adjust my x-axis just to kind of bring it off to the side, just so I can get a color that I am happy with. Now I'm going to close that menu, and you can look at this and go, cool, I've gone with some colors and kind of brushed over. It doesn't look that fantastic. It's okay, that's where we're at right now. With the drop down menu that says normal, we are going to select that and we're going to go all the way down to color. I'm now going to select my other one, and I'm going to again go all the way down to color. And now I've got these two colors kind of bleeding into Tom Cruise. We've got a blue coming from one side and a pinky hue coming from the other. And depending on how intense I want these, I can adjust some of my things. I can adjust my opacity, kind of drop down that color if I want to, or I can go back in, select these, and make some more of those adjustments for whatever it is that I want. Now, with that is all we're going to cover. That's all we're going to go over for today. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something. Have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.